Did you know that extra silicone spatula that your mother-in-law got you because she was too cheap to get you anything cool is fantastic for scraping paint off on your canvas for when you make a mistake or just want to start over? And that's one of 5 household hacks I want to share with all you painters and artists out there. So strap in, because here we go. Mother-in-laws, am I right? What is up, all you awesome creative people? Wild here, helping you become bigger and better with your creative adventures. A spatula, like I said, is a great way to clean up your canvas, or if you make mistakes, easily scrape it off with this wide surface area. Generally, everyone has a silicone spatula hiding in their kitchen. And if you don't or need an extra one, buying it on Amazon is super cheap, or even cheaper is when you go to your big box discount store and you can buy these for only a couple of bucks. Simply just pull off the top, and now you have a scraper that fits in your hand that can form to your canvas, easily removing any paint you don't want. If you're a messy painter out there, or paint in a smaller spot, or maybe a little OCD about your supplies, you should consider using wax paper and saran wrap to protect your environment. I use wax paper and saran wrap all the time and put it on my artist shelves for when I have wet paintbrushes and mediums in that area, because yeah, the brush might hit the surface area, or I might spill something, or things can splatter. But if that happens on top of the wax paper or saran wrap, it's easy just to clean it up, because I essentially just bundle it up into a ball and throw it away, and I'm good to rock and roll. Our next household painting tip actually can be found in your office, and that is binder clips. I use these all the time, actually for the last tip I just mentioned. I use binder clips to hold in place my wax paper and saran wrap so nothing slides around for when I put my paintbrushes, colors, or mixing palette on top of the surface area. But the cool thing about binder clips is the fact that it's a multitasker. If you like to organize your paint tubes, you know what you can do? Is put them right on the tail end and get yourself some pegboard or some poster paper and some push pins or whatever you have as a wooden dowel, and put it through the top here, and now you can organize and hang all your colors so you know exactly what you have and you can grab it and get it for your canvas. Our next household hack can actually be found in your kitchen, and that is Ziploc bags. Ziploc bags are great for artists that want to make cleanup a breeze for them, especially oil artists out there. I use Ziploc bags as a liner for my thinner bucket. So when I'm done cleaning, I can take that Ziploc bag and hang it, allowing the pigment and the thinner to separate out. I can then take that clean thinner and reuse it for my next painting, and then take that paint sludge and do a few things with it. I can recycle it or dispose of it. If you need to know how to get rid of your paint sludge safely or how to reuse it safely, I did a video on that you can check out in the top right corner, which I recommend because you're gonna have to dispose of it at some point. But Ziploc bags are great for making life a little bit easier on the cleaning side for you. Our next household hack can most likely be found in your laundry room, and that is a spray bottle. At some point, you're gonna buy cheaper canvases. They're gonna be flimsy. All you need to do is take your spray bottle and just spray the back of the canvas and let the sun hit it and dry it out, and it's going to tighten up that cotton duck. Now there's a little more to it, and if you want to know all the tips and tricks that I personally use, check out this video in the top right corner. But if you don't have a spray bottle just like this, you know what another awesome household hack is you can just use a Windex bottle. Obviously, when you're done with the Windex bottle, clean it out, but you can repurpose it with just normal water in there, or distilled water is actually better. And now you have something that's gonna help you tighten up your canvases. If you're thirsty for more tips, tricks, and hacks from me with my great hair, you can take a look over to the side where I give you more of that. And if that doesn't entice you enough to hit that big red subscribe button, perhaps this will. My next video is all on garage tips and tricks that's gonna make painting for you a whole lot better. I'll see you next time. Take care, and of course, peace.